Hello everyone, it's Joshua here today with another video course titled The Global Financial System Explained. Check this out. In today's video course, you will learn the Global Financial System Explained. A financial system is a set of institutions that allow for the exchange of funds or currency. These institutions may include banks, insurance companies, and stock exchange. A financial system also consists of the rules and practices that borrowers and lenders use to determine economic deals, who gets to finance specific projects, and which projects get funded. Financial systems exist in varying scale. The smallest may be that of a particular company. The largest is the interconnected global financial system, which covers all financial institutions, borrowers, and lenders in the global economy. It is the global framework of legal agreements, institutions, and formal and informal economic decision makers that dictate the international flow of financial capital. The institutions involved in the decision-making end of this system include central banks, major private international banks, government treasuries, monetary authorities, the World Bank, and the International Monetary Fund. The global financial system comes with a lot of jargons and technical speak, but it all boils down to one straightforward concept: ensuring the stability of the global economy. That is quite a lot of pressure for the institutions involved, as they are the sole decision makers and are responsible for the global economy. All it takes is one divergent nation or crisis to shatter this delicate stability. Hey guys, there's a lot to learn from the cryptocurrency space. In the course of our learning and future video course, we will discuss on the evolution of money. Take note guys, in our next video course, we will learn about the evolution of money. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video course, you know what to do, right? Please hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to turn on the post notification bell. You can also join me on Telegram, follow me on Facebook and Twitter as well. That's my Telegram handle and my Facebook and Twitter page handle as well. My name is Joshua. One love. Peace out. See you in my next video course. Bye-bye.
Investment is a security for the future.
Visit www.bpclass.net and be taught how to invest wisely on the internet and make profit. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel.